What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about MicroStrategy today, MSTR, at the request of a few people, actually. And I meant to make this video yesterday, I just forgot. There's a few of you in this past week who I've told I would make a video about MicroStrategy for, so this is for you. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. It's been a while since we talked about MSTR. You had a low here at about 82 bucks. What's the low there? What is that? 81.81. Nice, $81.81. Finding a low there, you've had a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-legged down move. That's awesome. It's typically what you expect to see. And here you are coming up, breaking out of this with some exceptional volume, breaking out of this consolidation zone at the lows here, just below this point here. Perfect kind of fake out territory, guys. Beautiful. The fact that you're getting back in this, especially with volume, is encouraging. It definitely is encouraging. If we're looking at this on the weekly time frame, which I guess we are, weekly RSI, bullish divergence, very nice bullish divergence, higher lows throughout here as you're getting lower lows in the price. This move up was inevitable, basically inevitable. Stochastics have just gotten out of the overbought zone. Whenever we just got out of the overbought zone here, we were at this point where the move was kind of just beginning. It didn't really kick off yet. Here we're breaking out, volumes coming in, bullish divergence, just getting out of the overbought zone. I think this move is just beginning. So even though you're up 19% this week, think of this as a starting point, not an ending point. That'd be how I'd look at it. On top of that, your MACD just crossed green. The last time that we saw the MACD cross green was here. And from that relative low there to the relative high, you moved up 54%. I think we're in a bit more of a bullish environment now, personally. And my expectation would be that we see probably more than a 54% move. So something that likely takes you back above $140. That'd be my guess. We're at 111 now, so inevitably I think you'll get there. And when I say above 140, I mean it could be 240. Like we could see some crazy, crazy, crazy stuff happen, you guys. Okay, it can happen like that. We're at kind of a pivotal moment on the macro dynamics here of crypto, Bitcoin, MicroStrategy as a whole ecosystem. Where you found support, where you found this low, it's deceitful because you've just broken below this low, these low points here. It makes market participants think that you're going to see a tremendous drop. The thing is, you already saw a tremendous drop getting down here. It already happened. And instead of looking at this point for support and looking at it as some big catastrophic thing that didn't hold, you should look back at the significant resistance that we found back here in this zone that is holding us up as support as well. And we found support there. And it looks good. You're moving up now. You're breaking out. Tremendous volume is coming in as well. It makes sense, in my opinion, that, again, with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-legged Elliott wave done, it would make sense that we move up from here, personally. Was this a zigzag? Was it a zigzag? If it was a zigzag, man, zigzags are corrective patterns, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe they're not. I don't know. It could be. I don't know. I'm not going to go through all the metrics and identify it. I have little knowledge when it comes to Elliott wave theory. I just know this has 5 waves. 1 down, 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down. Or no, sorry. 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up, 5 down. Then it's done. 5 legs. 5-legged right there. Elliott impulse wave. Do. Just like that. If it would let me. Yeah. There it is. Boom. Anyways, that's what Bitcoin did during its last bear cycle too. What do we want to do? Where do we want to take this from? I want to look at the fibs. I want to look at this low to this high here, right at the 0.5. Nice, not bad. Not too shabby. You don't typically find support at the 0.5, but when you do, you get significant moves. Gapping up today, I like it. RSI looks strong. Stochastics look strong. The MACD is loading. We're loading and looking good, man. Wow, looking really good, actually. Yeah, I stand by it, guys. I think this is more of a starting point than it is an ending point. I think we're going to see some tremendous growth here. Something that does take you at least above like 140, 145. And when I say at least above there, it could stop at 240, man. Maybe we stop somewhere in between 240 and 140. Perhaps we stop right at 145. I don't know, but at least there. That's my expectation. So good stuff coming your way for the MSTR faithful. That's awesome. A lot of growth. I'm expecting a lot of growth. And by the end of this thing, whenever everything's said and done, if this is the low, and I think that is a macro low, I think that's a dependable macro low there, When this is all said and done, we should see a price for MicroStrategy that is above $1,000, perhaps even a multi-$1,000 price. Absolutely. Every people fudding Sailor, everybody, I said every people, all the people fudding Sailor, everybody fudding MicroStrategy. I know that a lot of Bitcoin treasury companies have, I think it's like 80% of them. Maybe it's not Bitcoin treasury, it's 80% of crypto treasury companies are in the red. MicroStrategy's not. It's the OG. It's not. It is. They're profitable. They're completely profitable, and they're going to continue to be profitable. And it's exciting to see what happens over the coming years. I very much expect you're going to see $1,000, if not a multi-$1,000 price when this is all said and done. You're at $111 now. You're up 19% this week, and it's still tremendously early. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.